Welcome to the Squeaky Wheel Farm. Hi, I'm Christine. Today he's got to work on some of these round bale feeders and see if we can put them together into one good one. Come along with us and let's show you how it's done. Get it put in the shop and see what we can do as far as what's repairable and if we can fix any of it. We do have some pieces and parts from old ones that they've also destroyed, so we might be able to just replace a section and call it good.
Here he's grabbing the second junk feeder, and we're going to try and put them together. You'll see he's using this special tool that we have on our farm. It's called a wrench hammer. Yes, we do own ratchets and sockets and even some air tools, but he's determined that if these don't come off easily, he's just going to cut them off. Well, in case you're wondering why we use these round bale feeders, I can only tell you what would happen if you didn't have a feeder to put the hay in. And what would happen is the cows would rub up against it and they would knock it around and they would play in it and then eventually lay in it and waste 95% of the hay that we put out. So that's why we have to have some kind of containment system to hold the hay so that they can't rub on it and lay in it. Cost between $200 and $300 a piece. They're not good quality ones. There are some that are much better quality, but that comes at a higher price as well.
So, because the ground's frozen, they like to push against it, not flying across the ground because it's stuck. So I took one good panel off of the one that was broken, and then I took the one bad panel off of this, put them together, and I was able to get one. In the spring, we're going to be changing up the way we feed our round bales.
Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one more thing. I hope to see you again soon.